welcome to Prewebsolution. I am here Saad Tanmir with another tutorial about the customization of Opencart from default theme to a super theme. So in my last tutorial I am really sorry I cannot explain the things really good, so today I tried my best to explain you the best things so you can understand it and you can apply it. So without wasting time, we have to go to, first of all you have to open your XAMPP, or if you have WAMP you have to open that and start the Apache server as well as the MySQL server. And after that you have to go to your htdocs and then you have to find your folder like YouTube OC, which we have already created in my last tutorial. So I have told you that for customization of the view we have only concern with the catalog at this time. So we will move to catalog, and after that we have to go to view, and after view we will go to theme. And in my last tutorial we have seen that I have created I have copied this default folder and paste it and rename it as Preweb. And after that we go to templates and we go to common, and after that we go to header.tpl. okay, so guys, first of all we have to change our style sheet path. So I move to this line of code, and I have replaced the default with Preweb, and because our directory is Preweb, and we have changed the style sheet. Then I have told you about these are the meta tags, and after that these are meta description, and this is meta keywords, and after that these are the links that are required for the view like bootstrap, jQuery and all other, and you have to place these folder into JavaScript folder. You have to go to catalog, view, and there would be a JavaScript folder, and you have to place all your vendors and all third party you can say scripts you have to place over here. Okay, and after that you have to include all the style sheets while using the for loop, as well as we have include the links, and we have include the scripts, and we have include the analytics. Okay, Google Analytics. So this was the main concept of the template of header.php header.tpl, and tpl is the extension that is used in Opencart, and it is actually a Twing language. And so in body we have placed some class name, and this class name will be get dynamically from the backend. Okay, and there would be this line of code shows this currency, and this line of code shows the languages. If there is only one language, then this will not shown. If there is multiple languages, then the languages section will be shown, as well as the currency is greater than one, so the drop down menu is shown. And but you can see here is only a echo statement, and there is no you can see the HTML format of HTML line of codes. So where the HTML of this currency resides in currency.tpl file. Okay, so this was the file that we have discussed in our last tutorial. So here it is checking that if count is greater than 1, then all the currencies are shown, otherwise currencies are not shown. Okay, so secondly I have told you about how to change this text, and this text is written this echo text underscore currencies going to show the currencies label. So if you want to change it, you have to go to your language, you have to go to catalog, then you have to go to language, then you have to go to GP, and you have to go to common, and you have to go to currency.php and you have to open it. You can see here is currencies, that was currencies. If I write it currency, then it will be a currency. I am revising all this because uh, once we have revised our last lecture, then it will be more better for you to continue with a smooth flow. So when we change the colors of these links, now we are going to make it write this. So I have to go to inspect element, okay, and here is a top div, okay, and this top div is background colors is this, and I have to change it into black, okay, and I do not need the border bottom color, so I have done this. I've copied this, and this is telling me the path as well as the line number on which this piece of code is written. So I have to go to catalog, view, theme, then preweb style sheet slash stylesheet.css, and I have to go to 81 line number. So let's go to I have to go to catalog, view, theme, preweb stylesheet.css, okay, and I have to go to 81 line number. This is the 81 line number. So I have to remove all this, and I have to paste just this code, okay. Always remember to refresh with Control F5, because your cache would be clear, and after that you are going to see your results. Otherwise you will be confused that I have made a change and it is not reflecting. So the very important tip is that you have to do Control plus F5 multiple times to clear your cache. Otherwise you can go to your history, and after each changes you have to clear your cache, okay, and then you will refresh the page and you will get your desired result. And this is the text shadow, and we have to remove the text shadow. So let's again inspect it. I have so okay guys, this is the text, but there is you can see there is no CSS. Here's the CSS hash top.btn link. It's mean that top is the ID and btn link is the class, and its color is this and its shadow is this. I have to remove the shadow, and then I have to color it to white, okay. So it's look awesome now, and I have to copy, and now we have to go to 102 line number, and we have to replace these changes. 102 line number is this, and I have to do it FFF, and I have to remove this property, okay. Now you have to do Control F5, and then you will see your desired output. Now it's like very, you can say its hover property is also bad, so I have to click on this, and I have to change to hover property to this, okay. Because these are all btn links, okay, button links. So that's why I have not inspected, and I know that this is the color of the link, and this is the color of hover link. You can see now it's looking good, but you see that the drop down menu items are not working good. So what I have to do is I have to drop down menu, a color should be black #000, and after that when we hover it, color should be white and background color should be #FF000. So this is the color of red, and always use hexadecimal code of colors. Okay guys, you see that these are two different classes, and I have to manage each of this. So I have to go to the same property to this, copy boolean, okay, and I have to copy it, and I have to write some dot drop down menu, then a, and I have to give it to color #000. Let's see it's working or not. How I get this? Now I will tell you by inspecting the code. No, it's not working yet. So we have to inspect it. Right click and click on this, okay, and you will see that there would be a drop down menu. This is the class, okay, and when we open it, and there will be the allies, okay, and there would be a button, okay. So this property is overriding this property that it should be white. If I do it black, this will contradict with the first one. So what I have to do is I have to just this is the boolean link class, okay. What I have to do is I have to do that, look here, that boolean link, drop down boolean link should be black. So let's see, is it working or not, because the hierarchy is this. Oh, it's working. What I did that this is the boolean class, and the hierarchy is this, that there is a parent drop down menu class, and parent is, this is the drop down menu class which is parent of boolean link, and this drop down menus top #top is the parent of drop down menu. What I have written is that #top dot drop down menu, it's mean that it's a hierarchy, that if div is top, div id is top, and div class, the inner div class is drop down menu, and then dot inner boolean link, you found dot inner boolean link, then the link color should be FFF, and if we hover on it, what should we do? If we hover on it, then we have to make it white, and we have to make the background color too. Okay, let's see, is it working or not. Control F5, always remember to do the hard reload, otherwise you have to clear your cache in order to see the changes you have done, otherwise you will be confused. What I have changed is not working over here. Wait a second please. Now we will inspect again this. Okay guys, I think we should active the hover property in order to see its, as there is already some class that is conflicting. Okay guys, so this is the property that is overriding, so we have to remove this. When I do this, you will see okay guys, you can see this. So you have to change line number 95. So this was a class that I was looking for in order to see that why our whole link is not working. If I do this, I think it should work. So let's pause and hard reload it. Let's see is it working or not. Sorry, is it not working? So we have to write here ff000 and ff000 ff0000. Okay, now hard reload it. So guys, finally it's working, and now we have to look for this, and if I focus on this, there is some problem with the my account, so you have to also manage this. I have to inspect it. Okay guys, so first of all, when open, then background color is this and border color is this. Okay, it's a bootstrap property, and we have to see what is our main class. Top ID links is the main class. If you want to do some padding, we can do it from here, and secondly I have to go to list inline, and this is the drop down menu, and this is the spandex. So this is the drop down, and drop down contain the title. Okay, then there's icon, and my account is, this is hidden on mobile view. Okay, and the only icon will be shown on mobile view. So this is the drop down menu list, and I have to just manage to drop down. Okay, drop down li. So let's look for some code related to this. Okay guys, here's the top links, and the drop down menu of A should be black, and if we hover on it, it should be white, and these two are for languages, and okay, so this is the default CSS. We have to change this for our drop down menu, and I am going to change this ff000 ff000. Okay, sorry guys, the code is wrong. Now it's fine. Hard reload it. See whether the drop down color is same as we have did with this. So This is okay. But one thing left, that when we focus on this link, which is li drop down, we have to see the focus. Okay, focus is not working. Active, visited. So let's see it like top container, and this is the link settings, and now we have done this, and drop down menu A, hover if property this, okay, my account. Let's see is there any special class assigned to my account or not. My account link, sorry. Class is drop down toggle and no special class. I have to override this drop down property that let's, I will tell you, if we hover on it, then background color transparent, so what I have to do, I have to give a custom CSS over here, I will give I will say that hash top links is the parent class. Then if there is a dot drop down, and if we focus on it, then background color should be #000, and it's not important. Means if there is some property, let's look is it working or not. So guys, let it we will manage it, in I will tell you in the next tutorial how to manage it, because it's not working or there's some cache problem, because I am hardware loading it, but still it's not showing the changes we are going to done. We are done. So I will tell you how to change this icon to this icon. So this icon, let's go to that icon, go to header.tpl, and there is a shopping cart. This is the shopping cart, and this is the contact and all, I have already told you, and this is the FAFA shopping cart. So what I want to do is I want to use this, so I have to see the code of this class FAFA shopping /bag. So FAFA shopping /bag, BAG. So now refresh it. So you can see what happened. FA shopping slash bag. Copy this. .7. Okay, I have to go to here, and now I have to recheck it that I have. Okay, the reason that is not showing is its font awesome. We have to go to catalog, view, JavaScript. We have to go to catalog, view, JavaScript, then font awesome, and we have to CSS font awesome.min.css, and we have to open it, and you can see this is 4.40 version, and but I am using to use this icon. The minimum font awesome required is 4.70. Okay, so what I have to do is I have already installed it, and you can install it from here. I will tell you from our font awesome official website. You can download it from here. So I have already downloaded it, and I am just going to replace the file from the previous one, and I have to go to OC theme. Okay, I have to go to catalog, I have to go to view, I have to go to theme, I have to go to default, I have to go to, sorry guys, I have to go to JavaScript, and I have to go to font awesome, and I have to copy all this folder, and I am going to replace it with my YouTube OC, catalog, view, font awesome, and I have to replace all this folder. Okay guys, now refresh here. Now minimum 4.70 font awesome is required, and you can see the icon over here. Okay, so this is the you can say customization of header. And if we want to add the email, what we have to do is we have to go to the code, and we have to open header.tpl, and once I am going to find this, that this is the currency and this is the this, I have to also echo some when I echo only, right, and these are the predefined variables that we have to use, and otherwise if you want to change it, you have to go to your controller. So this is the undefined email variable. So what is the reason that it is showing? Let me tell you. So these are I am telling you that if you want to change something, you have to know the default variables of these things. So if I go to my, I've just forgot it that it was email or what, so I have to go to OC theme. I have to go to catalog, I have to go to view, theme, default, template, common, and I have to go to header.tpl, and so guys, here is the echo email. I have written the same, so why it is showing the error? Where is it? Go to back, go to the htdocs and OCTube, then catalog to view to theme to Preweb, template, common, and I have to open header.tpl file. So what error is this showing? Undefined variable email in header.tpl on line number 45. So it is saying that it is the undefined variable, it should not show this error because uh, still that error. Okay, okay guys, let me give some time and I will start from here and will tell you how to you can show email over here. Thank you so much, thank you for watching, and subscribe my channel for further videos. Thank you.